Best websites to find freelance jobs for beginners. Most beginners think the best freelance website is the one with the most jobs. That sounds right, but it usually leads to the same problem fast. Too much competition, weak positioning, and no clear path to the first paid proof that makes clients trust you. The smarter question is not where the most work exists, it is where a beginner can actually get noticed without looking invisible. And the website that wins that battle is not always the one people mention first. What makes a platform beginner friendly?
For a beginner, the best platform usually has three things: a simple way to present your skill, a clear way for clients to find or compare you, and a payment system that feels structured enough to reduce friction.
That is why some websites work better if you already know how to pitch, while others are stronger if your skill is easier to package into a clear offer. In many cases, the platform is not just where you find work, it shapes how you are forced to sell yourself. Option 3. Freelancer for volume and variety. Freelancer earns the third spot because it gives beginners a broad field to enter. Its official pages highlight projects and contests, along with categories like design, writing, programming, and data entry. That range matters when you are still testing where your strongest early offer really is. The honest downside is that breadth can also create noise. When a platform offers many categories and open bidding, it can feel crowded fast. Still, for a beginner who wants to explore different job types and see how clients describe real demand, Freelancer can be a useful training ground. Its milestone payments system also gives the platform a more structured feel around payment. Option 2. Fiverr for a simple first offer. Fiverr moves up because it works especially well when your skill can be turned into a very clear, repeatable service. Its help pages explain that your service is presented as a gig, which is your chance to show clients exactly what you offer before they place an order. For beginners, that can be easier than writing endless custom proposals from scratch. That advantage comes with a catch. Fiverr says freelancers are reviewed during sign-up and gig creation, and approval can be part of the process, so it is not a shortcut just because the format looks simple. But if you can package one useful service clearly, Fiverr often makes the first step feel more manageable. Option 1. Upwork for building real momentum.
For most beginners, Upwork stands out as the strongest overall choice. The reason is not just job volume. Upwork says freelancers can bid for jobs, pitch projects, and even be found through recruiters.
That gives a new freelancer more than one lane to get traction, which matters a lot when your profile is still young. It also feels closer to how freelance work grows in real life. You are not only posting a fixed offer and waiting, you are learning how to read demand, tailor proposals, and turn one client into the start of a longer pattern. Upwork is not the easiest platform emotionally because pitching can feel slow at first. But for a beginner who wants to grow past one-off gigs, it usually gives the best long-term runway.
The website that fits your first win.
So the best website depends on what kind of beginner you are. Freelancer is strong if you want range and fast exposure to many job types. Fiverr is better if you can turn one skill into a clear service clients understand immediately. Upwork is the best overall if you want the broadest path from first job to real freelance momentum. And that is the detail most people miss. The best platform is not the one with the loudest reputation. It is the one that makes your first trust signal easier to earn. If you enjoyed the video, hit like and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.